Hey guys, how are you? It's Jeff at Speak Clear Communications. I hope you're well. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about pacing and specifically some exercises you can do in order to slow the rate at which you speak. One thing you can do is work with a metronome. A metronome is an instrument used by musicians to help them keep their beat or their rhythm. And it gives off a regular click at a selected rate. So I'm going to work with an online metronome here, and I'm going to speak at the rate at which I set the metronome. I'm going to set the metronome at 100 beats per minute. Okay, so let me turn this metronome on. Hopefully you can hear it. There you go. So this is my social post for the week. You can tell that I've been working on my pace. There you go, that's my tip for today. So, find a rate that works for you. You can boost the rate up a little bit or down, but set an online metronome so that you can begin to adjust your speech and hopefully slow your rate down and speak a little bit more effectively. And that's my tip for the day. Have a great week. Take care.